Hello there, my name is McHorse, and welcome to another machinima/roleplay practical tutorial. Not gonna lie, it's been quite long since the previous one, haha. In this video, I'll show you how to record a scene where an actor picks up some object, either from the ground, or takes it from another actor. Before we start, there is no way of doing it as smoothly as in animation apps like Blender. There will be visible teleportation, and this trick should work with new and older versions of Blockbuster. This is also not a beginner's tutorial. If you're new to Blockbuster mod, make sure you watch 2020 Blockbuster Academy series. See info card in the top right corner. So, let's get started. Here I recorded an actor that pretends to pick up some object. The easiest way is to place a model block with desired morph, which you want the actor to pick up. Then, record another actor breaking the model block at some point. After recording another actor breaking the model block, look up at which tick did the actor breaks the model block. The tick here is 97. Finally, edit the player recording of picking up actor, add a leading animation using the morph action. And then add model blocks morph to the actor, using body part system, at the tick where the model block gets broken. And here we go, our actor picks up an object. However, this method has some limitations, like, you need to reload scene every time you preview it, and if you break the model block by accident, it might be hard to restore it to original state. So here comes an alternative method. Instead of using a model block, you could also record another actor to be that desired object instead. Add a new actor to the scene with the object's morph. Go to the place where the object was placed, and morph into that object to double check whether the location is suitable. Record yourself standing still for entire duration of the scene. And then add an empty morph action at the tick where actor picks up the object. And that's pretty much it. The advantage of this method is that you don't need to reload the scene to preview this action. However, the only disadvantage is that there is actor's shadow on the ground. If you are using shaders, that shouldn't be a problem. The workaround for no shaders users is to disable entity shadows in video settings. A tip: if your scene is too long to record another actor still, you can use record fill command to add duplicate frames. Simply record an actor for literally a second or less. Look up the duration of the scene. It can be done by opening the scene in Aperture's camera editor and checking the duration and the timeline. Then go back into the world and execute the record fill command with actor's recording ID and duration of the scene. Then edit the player recording to demorph the object actor, as we did previously. And finally, I'll show you how to make an actor give an object to another actor. The idea here is the same as with picking up with actor on the ground. However, instead of demorphing the actor, you just remove the object from first actor's body parts and add it to another's actor body parts. So yeah, it's a quite tedious process. You have to play around with poses and transformations, tweak around values until you're happy with what you see. If not all the tweaking, the tutorial would have come out much shorter, as you can guess. Like this. So that's how you make actors pick up objects and hand objects to other actors. Hopefully this video was useful. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.